Y'all know we back at it like we never left with it. Check this out, y'all. Look at this. Y'all know I had to bring it to the computer, to the TV screen. Let me show y'all. Y'all know my analysis from last week? That was a dub. I had to reanalyze things. And yeah. Didn't get into no trades yesterday, which was Monday. Good thing I didn't. I ran into some difficulties because I was definitely looking to buy over there, but now I see why not. I'm gonna go over there on a video this week, but y'all see where we at with it. I ain't gonna bring it too close to the TV. Hopefully you can see that. If not, let me see.
From that's like breaking the mold. You supposed to do what you told. The elders' words are like gold. From the concrete you rose. You determine how far you go. So don't never sell your soul. And never think you're too old to watch all of it unfold. On this dream I am sold. Let's see how far this goes.
What's up, squad? Ranks Banks, the wealthy trader, tapping in with some more fire, lit, authentic content. And if it's your first time on the channel, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to see the journey of a beautiful soul just out here thriving, traveling, loving my wife, and trading, spreading positive vibrations, you know what I mean? And if you're a returner, you already know the vibes. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Y'all, I'm a little nasally, as you can hear. I'm still getting over that cold. I know in the last video I said that y'all was gonna see me. Y'all was gonna see me in Vietnam. I didn't say where y'all was gonna see me at, but yeah, we were supposed to go to Vietnam this week. We supposed to be in Vietnam, but unfortunately we both got sick and we're still here in Pattaya. But we in this GBP buy. I'm on the GBP buy. I'm also in, because I told y'all I had an old funded account that I forgot I had. I'm in the GBP buy on GBP USD buy on that. And I got an account with Sway, if you don't already know. I know I'm switching to futures, but I'm still doing my thing in the forex markets until I really get the hang of the futures markets, until I start you know, pulling some cha-ching out the markets. We still over here with the forex market. So we up on Sway right now as well. If you're looking for a regulated broker in the States, click the link in my description and tap in with Sway. They got amazing spreads. Commissions is, I think they even got accounts that got no commissions, but nonetheless, if you're looking for a broker, go check them out. I've been with them for a couple months now, for like probably 8 months. I think I'm some type of, maybe I'll drop a screenshot here to show you what type of level I'm on with them. But yeah, we about to sit here and watch this GBP buyout. Really, I'm looking to see if I can catch this buy up and see how it starts acting. We got news in a couple hours during New York, so I'm trying to see if this is like, I'm just trying to see how far price is gonna go. I feel like it's just a retracement to go grab some more buy side liquidity so that they can go. It's literally equal lows left on all time frames, the hour, the 15 minute, the 30 minute. So I know price gotta go back down there. So I'm just catching this counter trend and also journaling, y'all. I actually journaled this trade. Drop in the comments if you journal every trade you take. I don't. I'm gonna tell you right now. But that is, well, I didn't. I'm moving forward. You know what I mean? I'm going through boot camp right now. Shout out to Tracy. Psychology was the thing we covered today. That's the thing that I really needed. You know what I mean? I know the charts. Y'all know I know the charts, but sometimes up here it gets off. So bro turned me up with that. And that was day 1 of the boot camp. But yeah, based off of the psychological talk we had, I'm definitely going to be making sure that I'm journaling my trades over the next 90 days, just so I can have that data, so I can fine tune my strategy. Let me shut up, and we'll be back later. All right, peace. What'd you say?
I said the pizza on his phone.
Say hi to my people.
Hello, people.
Look at Greedy. Ha! Look at Greedy.
Of course.
He think he getting pizza. It's a no, bro. It's a no.
Fair value gap here. Bill, continue. What? Alright, so Don't look at me wrong, like, crazy. All right. Sometimes it's right here happens. All right. When you're gonna get priced doing shit.
All right, y'all. Y'all saw that. That's day 2 of boot camp. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. But today is Wednesday. I think like April the 2nd or April the 3rd. And I'm about to go do a visa run, my wifey and I. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. Basically, we gotta do these in order to stay legal in this place. We ain't about to be those people that's like illegally staying our stay, because we just not about that life. So let me wrap it up in here, and we about to go catch this Grab, which is just a motorcycle, and I'll meet y'all at the spot because I'm not recording none of that. Peace. All right, y'all, so my Grab driver is 7 minutes away, so we about to have a conversation real quick with the Texan. Hi. All right, y'all, so listen, something that I just want to get up here and like be very, very transparent about, something that I'm noticing like within my trading journey is more recently specifically, and even in the past, y'all be seeing me show like, oh, I'm up $500, I'm up $800 or whatever the case may be, and 9 times out of 10, I won't say 9 times, I'll say like 7 times out of 10, I won't get that full profit because I'll let price pull back thinking that it's just a pullback, and it's sometimes a reversal. And then, but most of the time, it's really not a reversal. It's really a pullback. I really don't just be confident in what it is that I'm seeing. Probably because I'm sitting there looking at the charts. I don't know what it is, but nonetheless, I don't take the full profit. I'll take profit, but it won't be the full thing. So that really just goes back to me not sticking to my trading plan, because literally my trading plan tells me that once it gets to the low-hanging fruit, which is the first draw on liquidity, I'm supposed to exit the trade. And 9 times out of 10, I'm just trying to hold it for the long haul. So I just wanted to cut the camera on real quick and talk about that, because I'm actually, if you follow me on Twitter, I tweeted this yesterday, and it's the truth. Futures is helping really mold me into the trader that I am. I like swing trading, but ultimately I'm a very good scalper. I've known that for years, and I didn't want to scalp because of a lot of reasons. But it's like you really have to figure out who you are as a person, what works best for you, and really stick to that. Don't try to make yourself be something that you're not. Be exactly who you are, because that's who you show up as on the charts. So we about to see how me switching from like pretty much swing trading and like intraday trading to me just potentially scalping. That's what we about to do, y'all. So I'm about to take y'all on that part of my journey with me, just me sticking to my trading plan. All right, drop me in the comments if you've been at that part of your trading journey where it's like you passed the break-even spot, but also you're at a spot where it's like you can have higher gains, but you don't get those gains because of greed or not sticking to your plan. Whatever it is, drop in the comment section if you've been through that, and give me some tips on how you was able to maneuver through that, because that's where we at with it. And I gotta go because my Grab driver is pulling up, so let's go. Well, y'all, we had another day. I did y'all dirty yesterday. I didn't even come back and tell y'all like how things went at immigrations or none of that. I'm gonna tell y'all about that. But we on Thursday. London session just wrapped up. Y'all, I didn't take no trades. I think I might be proud of myself that I didn't take no trades because I didn't force anything. It's news coming up a little later on the day, so we're gonna see what news do, and we're gonna see what this 10 a.m. silver bullet time gives us. Bro, GBP is funny, okay? That buy I was looking for last week is taking off this week, and I was actually in a buy earlier this week, so I caught some of the buy and I got out. That's what I'm not feeling about futures, y'all. I'm not feeling, and maybe it's just futures prop firm. Maybe I need to like check out the personal side of futures, like a personal futures account, and see if it does that, if it closes the trades at the end of the day, because that's just not it. Not for the way I trade. I know I talked about scalping yesterday, and that is definitely a thing, but like, why should I have to? I don't know, y'all. I'm just talking. I'm sharing my thoughts with y'all. Nonetheless, we're gonna figure this whole futures thing out, how I can hold my trades longer if I want to, if I don't want to scalp. So in other news, wifey is taking a boot camp this week. I showed y'all, I think, a couple clips maybe of the boot camp. We on day 3, and she has some questions, so we about to take some time to clear up some questions for her. I'm gonna do some back testing, and then we're gonna see what the rest of the day brings. Other than that, I'm about to sign out, and I'll be back later. What you doing?
Trying to figure this out.
What are you trying to figure out?
I have no idea.
Ask me, don't just sit here and mark stuff up. We just marking up everybody gaps.
Yeah. And you said to do the, I think you said highs and lows.
Yep. What are the highs and lows considered?
And liquidity and imbalances?
Which one? One or the other?
Liquidity.
Let's go. So we wrapping this week up. It's Friday, and I'm definitely not gonna take no more trades this week. Y'all, this week was a rough one. I've been BSing. Well, not really. I was trying to figure out something, so I won't say I was BSing. But y'all remember what I told y'all about my that I had made too much profits in like 2 days, and I had to make more. I never paid attention to the fact that I couldn't bring my account back under 50,000, and I was trying to see what would happen if I brought my account balance down lower, and I was trying to see if that like extra profit would go down, but that definitely was not the case. So not only did I have to make an extra 2,100, I couldn't go below 50,000. So I took a trade yesterday, and I went into drawdown, and I was trying to figure out like, why did my trade close? It was a limit order that I placed. I went to sleep, I woke up, and it said that my trade had opened and closed, and I was looking at like my stop loss area, and I'm like, bro, price didn't even get to my stop loss, so what is happening? I logged into my Top Step account, and I saw that I violated a rule, and I'm like, what rule did I violate? I didn't lose a ban. That's the only rule that I would have violated, but it was because I went below the minimum balance. So that combine is done. It's kind of a relief, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, because psychologically, once I seen that I had to make that extra bread, it was like, now I gotta make 5 bands on this 50K account, when if I had a 100K account, I would have to make 6 bands. I can only do 5 contracts max, so that's gonna take me a minute, and while it's not like a rush, that just messed with my psyche. And I had been telling wifey that I wanted to restart it, and she was like, no, just challenge yourself to do it, but I didn't do that. So we gonna reset this account, and I don't know, I just being 100, like, obviously you have ups and downs with trading, but I think since being in Thailand, I've been kind of struggling with, I don't know what the struggle is. I don't know what the disconnect is, but since I've been here in Thailand, like, it ain't been hitting right. And y'all know last month I went to Bali, and I'm gonna start sharing spiritual stuff on this channel too, because it's not just a trading channel. This is literally just a channel about me and who I am as a human and the experiences that I have. And Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. All right, I had to put on a shirt. So last month when I went to Bali, I met with the shaman, as y'all may or may not know. And the shaman told me that it is okay for me to take a break from like my work. And I have to know when it's okay for me to take those breaks. And I find that in my trading journey, every so often, I'll have to take like a week or two off just to like not look at the charts, to focus on stuff outside of charts that's going on like in my personal life, or maybe some things that I need to work through internally. And when I come back, I'm better. So I don't necessarily think that I'm gonna take a break from trading, okay? I'm not taking a break from trading. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna just go back to what I was doing last year. Y'all, last year I literally was only trading on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I did phenomenal doing that. That was the most profitable that I've ever been, just trading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I think the itch to trade, to be in a trade, to be in the markets kind of got the best of me, especially when I started seeing all that success. It's like I wanted to trade every day. I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to feel like I was missing out on nothing. But in all actuality, I'm never missing out on anything. You can never miss out on something that's supposed to be yours, or that is yours. So I have, y'all, I'm just being 100% accountable on this internet, because people try to make it seem like, oh, it's so easy to trade. And while trading can be easy, the journey to trading, or your journey within trading, sometimes cycles within trading, is not all that easy. And I want to let people know, like, y'all already know, I just want to be transparent. So I don't think I'm taking a break off, but y'all, I really have not even been like on my shit when it comes to trading. Like, I just been in the moment. I've been so excited about it, and I haven't been doing the things that I should do, like my pre-trading routine properly. Okay, I also think that being here in Thailand obviously it's an adjustment. Literally, like right now back at home, it's probably 4 o'clock a.m. and it's 5 o'clock p.m. here, and that means my trading times have changed. I'm used to rising at like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the a.m., doing my little personal things, my gratitude journaling, my affirmations, my prayer, my meditation, all of those things, getting myself in a Zen space before coming to the charts. And now it's like New York session is 10 o'clock at night here. Well, the time that I trade is 9 o'clock at night here. The time that I trade, I've been trading London, and I've actually been having success with London. I will say that. So I like that, but London is 2 o'clock in the afternoon here. So just trying to figure out like what adjustments I need to make to be able to do what I need to do. Also, this week has been very interesting emotionally. Y'all, I don't know if y'all into astrology or anything like that, but it's literally like eclipse season. We literally like in Mercury retrograde, and so much stuff on the outside of my life is just like, it's crazy. I'm gonna tell y'all, I can't say too much on this channel right now because I don't know who watching this channel and stuff like that, but in a few months y'all will know why I'm saying this. But just remember this, I don't know who watching this channel, so it's not too much I can say about something that's going on personal on the outside, and it's not family related or anything. But so that's a thing. And then I don't know, nonetheless, we're gonna do what we gotta do to make it happen. I know here in Thailand, I don't know if you're into like human design, and I'm not rambling. It may seem like I'm rambling, but I have a point to it all. I don't know if you're into human design and stuff like that either, but I was looking at my human design charts, and I know the markets is literally the environment that I thrive in. It literally says it in my charts. I'm a chart reader, y'all. It's in the charts. It's just I gotta get psychologically, I gotta get my psyche right. And I'm noticing, like, I came here to Thailand so that I could focus on trading. I wanted to get away from all the distractions back home and stuff like that. But those same distractions, maybe not to the magnitude that they were at home, but those same things are here. So it's really like some things you can't just get away from. Some things you have to figure out how to integrate into your life and be able to move effectively so that you can have the results that you want. And the only way you're gonna figure that out is by learning. The only way you're gonna learn that is by experiencing things. So this is definitely an interesting journey. I appreciate you if you are still watching, if you are here for the long haul for this. We gonna get there, y'all. We gonna get there. And the goal right now, like literally my main focus for the past few years, well, like the past year and a half, really has been to become a funded trader. And a year and a half is a long journey. But the first year of this journey, I literally was failing challenges. I could not pass a challenge to save my life. And then the second year into this, like going into like, not the second year, but after the first full year. So back in 2022, I spent all 2022 trying to pass prop firm challenges. Didn't pass one. 2023, which was last year, is when I started passing my prop firm challenges, when I started really making money from the markets. And then, but I got to the point where I could pass the challenge, but I just didn't cross the threshold to get a payout. And I'm still there now because I'm in futures and I'm doing the same thing with futures, but I'm going to get a fat ass payout. Okay, that is my goal. It don't got to be the first payout, got to be fat, but I'm going to make a lot of money from these prop firms because I invested a lot of money into these prop firms. So I'm going to continue to focus on my prop firm challenges. Yes, I'm going to continue to trade in my personal accounts. That is what it is. That's a whole different thing. The topic that we talk about on this channel, really, because that's what most people are doing, are trying to get funded or assessing funds from a prop firm. So y'all just hanging there with me. Drop me some words of encouragement, y'all, because I don't even know if I necessarily need words of encouragement, but it'd be nice to read some. So I'm about to go ahead and wrap this up. As you can hear, I'm still congested. My chest is doing something. I don't know what the hell we got from being out here, but I'm about to wrap up this video. I gotta take Reese out and just sit here in quietness and just allow myself to observe the thoughts that I'm having and honor the emotions that I may be feeling. We're gonna do that. Peace, love, and positive vibes. Y'all, if you made it this far and you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I appreciate you. And remember, on your journey, no matter where you at, it's a journey. Your journey to success is literally that, a journey. Success is a journey, not a destination. So remember that. Never ever quit. Peace.
The truth of who you are, you were born to be a star. The sun rules my world, so I let it play its part. It's my golden art. We connected from the start.